Could you speak a little bit on TMAO?
So there's TMA and there's TMAO, right? And this is a product that is associated with heart disease. The Cleveland Clinic is somebody who's been pushing this, and one particular researcher has been talking about it as an issue for cardiovascular disease. Now, interestingly, what drives up TMAO? Well, kidney dysfunction, because it's excreted renally. So if you have bad kidneys, you're gonna hang on to TMAO. Well, guess what? If you already have bad kidneys, you're probably gonna have heart disease. So it's one of these healthy user biases. The other thing that drives that is gut dysbiosis. So if you have a messed up gut, you're already sick, guess what? You have more heart disease. So this associational thing is problematic with that. Now, the other thing that's interesting is that fish, healthy fish, pescatarian diets, dramatically increase TMAO. So now is that bad? The other thing is that what is causing our gut to convert TMA into TMAO? Well, it's the ingestion of two compounds, choline and carnitine. Where do you get choline and carnitine? You get it from meat and eggs and so on and so forth. What do we know about choline and carnitine? Choline and carnitine are incredibly beneficial to overall health, liver health, heart health, brain health, and so on and so forth. So basically, it's one of those things is, why is it elevated? Is it elevated because I'm eating a bunch of healthy nutrients? Or is it elevated because my kidneys are failing, my gut is all messed up? And again, it's like, it's not the biomarker, it's the reason for the biomarker that is probably the problem here. And again, outside of a few people worrying about TMAO, it's kind of one of those, maybe, maybe not. But again, you have to ask, why is something happening? Not just, it's happening, I want to know why. Why is my blood glucose going up? Is it because I've been eating, croissants and, sugary donuts all day? Or because I just did a heavy set of deadlifts and my liver dumped a bunch of glycogen, right? So why is just as important as what, okay? All right, thank you guys, appreciate it.